Is it Christmas yet? Well, it doesn't look like, but the Wera Advent Calendar is here, so we might as well check what we get. This year, Wera did not disappoint and delivered a new set that makes the waiting for Christmas a bit more pleasant. The front cover shows the cool Santa delivering presents in some extreme way. Luckily for us, the inside is not as extreme. In each of these windows, you will find reliable, well-known solutions from Wera, but of course, you also have some neat surprises. Let's see what's in the box. Whoa, hold right there. This video contains spoilers. If you don't want to ruin the fun, pause now and order one to experience the unboxing on your own. But if you are curious, well, enjoy the video. The 2024 edition is all about the tool check. It's a solution for storing bits that we've seen many times in Wera's offer, for example, with the bike sets. It is great to put it into your tool bag and be sure that you always have the necessary bits. This thing is for a little different scenario because the whole thing fits in palm of your hand. You can have it in your car, your backpack, or even in your drawer at work. It all starts with a handle. Wera's craft foam design is so iconic with the ergonomic shape and two colors. I miss a bit the Christmas palette from previous editions, but on the other hand, we don't need to celebrate Christmas whenever we are fixing something, right? Here we get the mini version for more compact set. It is still comfortable to use with 1/4-inch magnetic bit holder on the end. For the handle, we get a selection of high-quality Wera bits. The 25mm ones are for Torx sizes 10, 15, 20 and 25, and for hex sizes 3, 4, 5 and 6. 50mm bits are 2 Phillips and 2 Positrif, both in sizes 1 and 2, as well as a flat blade 0.8 by 5.5. For reaching even further, there is the 1/4-inch extension, male to female, and the square adapter. That's for 3 hex sockets, metric 8, 10 and 13, the most popular for everyday stuff. And although you can use them screwdriver style, like that, the real comfort is to use sockets with ratchet. That's why you also get the Cyclop Mini, small adapter that changes your craft foam handle into the reliable reversible ratcheting wrench with fine tooth and low return angle. Oh, it's lunchtime. Every year we are treated with something extra, limited only to the Advent Calendar sets. And although the famous Wera bottle opener is this Cyclop Mini style that we've seen previously, there is something new. That's right, Wera craft foam salt and pepper shakers. Ergonomic shape now will help you avoid muscle strain when seasoning your meals. Made of high-quality materials with rubberized elements for better grip. And it comes in 2 colors to identify salt and pepper. You also get the textile pouch with Wera to go system that fits your shakers and the bottle opener. This way you can have your new tools within the reach, and it also prevents your bag from accidental seasoning. There you go, 2024 Wera Advent Calendar. It is small, but that its strength. If you're looking for a great gift that will make the Santa's tool bag a bit lighter, this is it. Just be quick, this is very limited set. Grab it while you still can.